Conkarah isn't new to the scene, but he's not a big name in Jamaica. Shaggy, on the other hand, is a household name worldwide. So when the two teamed up on a song and it goes viral on TikTok, you know it's gonna be huge.
And hitting the road.
Absolutely, he's a true artist that believing in himself. Conkarah is Shaggy. To be honest, when I just started, everything that he explains to me is things that I've experienced. I was the guy that was standing up doing, Angel and Wasn't Me, and people standing up in the crowd looking at me like this. It wasn't until I did Church Eden that people started saying, okay, and then they reverted back to those songs. You know what I mean? So I get exactly what it is, but hard work. You can have, again, 90% talent, 10% work ethic, right? And nobody knows you have 90% work ethic and 10% talent and be the biggest artist in the world. I say it every day.
It's a fantastic feeling, to tap into a market like Mexico and representing Jamaica alongside the boss man Shaggy. It's a great, great feeling.
Banana is #1 in Romania. I didn't pay much attention. Romania is a little bit in the country. I say, all right, somebody. And then I got other calls after that, and I was like, wait, this is a trend, And I think it was India after that, and I was like, all right, something is going on. Then I made a couple of calls and found out that it was, this was true.
How did the song all come about?
Yeah, man. So basically, I went down to Colombia, Medellin. I wanted to immerse myself in the culture and seek inspiration to write music. And I was on my balcony playing the guitar, and I looked over at a wad of bananas. I just like, daylight come on. And I was like, yo, I have to link my brother in Barbados. And I sent him the idea. He made a rhythm, sent it back to me. I actually voiced a song inside my closet in my Airbnb. And sent the song off to a mutual friend of Shaggy and mine, is Martin. And he played it for Shaggy, and Shaggy liked it and said that he would jump on the song. I didn't want to believe it at all, but the second that I heard his voice, it's a very distinct voice, I was like, yeah, man, that's Shaggy.
The TikTok challenge was definitely a big part of the song going viral. People put that challenge, and also DJ Flea, who created that horn drop. That was what did, and with the dance, of course, really made it, go viral and everybody getting into it.
I didn't even know about TikTok, and so I didn't really pay much attention to it. But when I saw somebody in Norway, which is the other side of the world, posting a video, I said, hold on, this is something. And then all of a sudden, like that, just blew up.
And the thing I love about Banana is, and the whole Banana Drop dance, is that everybody who is doing it is happy. They're smiling. It's a family affair. People are just, and in these COVID times, that's exactly the antidote.
Daylight come on, me want go.
Boom! Blessed love, this is Conkarah. And we say, yo, intense play, we now want go home. Tell them!
Thanks to our Big Brother show, ER, for facilitating the interview.